The majority of scientists around the world agree that climate change is a result of human activity, and we can avoid the worst impacts by reducing pollution.
Climate change is predicted to lead to further rises in temperature, rises in sea levels, and some extreme weather events becoming more common, making life more difficult.
Now is the time to change, and countries around the world are already taking action.
Australia has wind, sunshine, the movement of tides and geothermal energy. These clean energy sources are sustainable, renewable. Their supply can't be disrupted by events elsewhere, and they don't contribute to pollution.
Developing these new industries means developing new jobs. Meeting the challenge of climate change means being responsible, staying competitive, and Australia continuing to prosper.
You can be part of building a clean energy future. To find out how much assistance you may be eligible for, or ways in which you can use energy more efficiently, log on to the website www.cleanenergyfuture.gov.au.